Okay, we are live, yeah? We are live, let's go. Let's go. We are live. Let's wait for some viewers. Yes, sir. It's a new week. It's a new week. It's a new week. Yeah. Hold up. What? It is a little lower. I know. It is a little lower. I know. How is Yo? Okay, are we back? My stream is glitching, I think. Hold on. My stream is glitching, I think. Oh no, now it's back again, right? Oh no, now it's back again, right? Okay, we're live. So we are live. Okay, we are live. Let's go. So let's see if we can find any trades. So yesterday was a very nice day. I'm just gonna remove all the noise from our charts. Oh, hold on. Yeah, we've hit the daily. Okay, that's cool. We can still possibly hit this, and we can still possibly hit this right here. This can hold again, so let's see if we can find any trades, bro. Can literally be anywhere. Yeah, sir. Let's... Okay, so let's see if you can find any trades. We have a 4-hour level, the range is still down here. This is your break you kind of need to protect, or you want to protect, but you already hit the break, so you're more so looking at the range down here, I think. Okay. This is a stronghold level. Yes, we have backside. Front side, this one held multiple times. You have this right here. I think rather go for the wick. It held like a lot of the time, so it's a very strong hold level. It's greediest. It's protecting the 1 hour break down here. And you have the 5 minute. Right here is holding as well, like a lot of the times. Rather go for this, I think. This backside as well. Up here, okay. This is just very possible to hold again. 250 stop loss, not too bad. So you ladder from this point to this point to this point right here. Back side, back front side, and a front side, and can hold. This can hold. It's Barely touched, but that you kind of stop close to the level, so I'd rather take this, I think. Just a little bit greedier, just a little bit lower. In the move, I think you can even go all the way down to the 15 right here that held the move like multiple times. Or go for even something down here. 5-minute level down here. Something like this, possibly. It depends on how really depends on how volatile New York Open is. Okay. Combination with 5-minute backside that held like multiple times, and a back front combination. So I'm really thinking about this level. I think on the 4, this one looks a little bit better though. Let's see what the highest 5 is. It is this. I would go for this one right here. Backside, back front side can hold again, but for the back front side you also went for the front side, so I think I'd rather take this. This one or this one. Go for this. Yeah, it's a 1-minute backside that held the move like multiple times. So this is gonna be your first bounce, probably, possibly. Strong range, man, wow. You're gonna have something down here. So let's see, 15-minute. Mixed down here is combination with the 5-minute backside. So let's say we touched this already, you're gonna be higher in the move, right? Fifteen wick, and you're going for 15 wick slash backside again. So it's gonna be a 5-minute above this, or it's gonna be this again if you're really, really greedy. So rather take a level a little bit higher and then put my stop below the break of the move. Let's see. Let's say we're doing the same. It's gonna be this right here. Or not. You test this, you hit this wick. I think it's this wick right here. This is it. I think this is it. It's 15-minute wick. Broke over, held the move. Next is 5. You have a 5-minute wick. It's a combination with a 1-minute backside. So I'm looking at this level to take a buy on. Millie, I got a friend. He just texted me. He made $1 million. Nice. I just made $1 million on Bitcoin. So we got this. I think I'm more interested in taking this level. So let's see what our stop loss is, and then putting an entry on this. Let's see the higher time frame for a moment. So with the higher time frame, we want to protect this range or the break of the 1 hour and the 4 hour at once. So you want to protect it. If you follow the ladder, this is gonna be like a very nice entry for New York Open. So when you sweep down at New York Open, you'll get this if you continue to move up. So we've hit some resistance. What we can do is we've hit daily support. So what we can do at market open is move up, hit this, move down, and our first support will be down here. Like, of course, you got some support in here and over here, but with market open, it's probably very volatile, and you move down to some level down here. So this is my level of interest. I'm gonna take a look for some scalps as well within this range. But for New York Open, I just wanna like catch the move and ride it for the rest of the day, make 10k and be happy. So let's see. Like 10k is a lot, but yesterday's results, we made 2600 yesterday. So that's quite okay. 2600, almost 2700. Up 2.4k for the week. Traded only 2 days last week. 4k plus. So just 1k was with Christmas and stuff like that. And then just a nice day with a little losing day, small losing day. So it's a lot of small days and some average days, and then one big day, and you can make some really nice money. So let's see if we can catch New York Open today. So this is my interest point. This is a very interesting level as well. I believe it's a 1 minute in combination with a 4 hour. Let's check it out. Oh, it's just a 4 hour level. Okay, so this one can be removed. This was a 1 hour. That's very interesting. So let's see. We'll be looking more inside over here, but for now, this is where I want to take a short, and this is gonna be where I want to take a long, just for the sweep market open. If we get there, because it's like really far. But if we get there, we can take a level. We can take a entry. This is gonna be my entry long. Let's see what the stop loss is gonna be on one lot. 13.25, well, doesn't really matter. And last ladder point, this is quite wide. It's gonna be 300. What we also can do is like take stop loss below this range, because it can also hit one of these levels still, but this one is just the most probable. And if you get really greedy, you can also go to down here the 50-minute level. So it's gonna be or a $500 stop loss, and we take this level, we protect all the other levels, and if you hit the break, we get taken out, and it is what it is. Or we can take all these levels individually, but we are taking risk like all. We take like $100 risk, and then $100 risk on this one, and then $100 risk on this one. It's maybe a little bit better because you're risking $300 instead of 500, and you have maybe an efficient entry, so you can be break even really quick. Or you're gonna take all these levels, or just one level, protect all the other levels, be more sure to stay in the trade once you're in. But if you get below this, like you basically want to put your stop below this wick down here then, because that's like you're probably gonna hit the break, pull up a little bit, you can close the position in not too much of a loss, but you're gonna have like a $600 or $550 stop loss, and it's quite wide. I don't really like stop loss that wide. I rather just catch the move on one tick and then be break even. So let's see what's the plan here, because this can hold again. But the thing is, we led it from 15 wick now to a 5 wick. And this is the start of the move, so I know this is gonna bounce. So I'm kind of sure this is the level we need to move up again if we get it down here, because it's protecting the 4 hour and the 15 and the 4 hour break. So this is gonna be a very strong level with quite a strong bounce. So what you can do is just put the stop below this right here. And we have a $300 stop loss, and we can place another order on this one with like a $100 stop loss. So with $400 risk, we take 150. So we take a little less risk, quite a nice position, kind of sure we stay in. So let's put it at 13. That's gonna be a buy for market open, and let's scalp. For now, let's look for some trades that you can take right now instead of waiting for market open to happen. This stop loss was gonna be 300, right? So let's check it again, but we're just putting in 300 for now. Yeah, okay, 300. That's cool. We're not taking this. Our stop is gonna be below this level, so I'm leaving this on for now to know where my stop's gonna be, and we're gonna place another position on this level. But that's greedy. If we get here, that's gonna be like the best entry in a long time. One of the best entries in a long time. If you like, I have had it before. You take it to like the greediest level. That's like 3 ticks before the break of the move. So it is possible. It's just not very likely. You're more likely to bounce here, and if you get down here, you probably bounce here, be break even, and when you come back for this level, then it is what it is. So taking a long on this level as well. So we have 3 positions, 1 short, 2 longs, and this is gonna be a 150 stop loss. So let's just put it in. Text 150. Okay. This is what it is. Oh. I just want to say it's so. Let's see if we can get a little bit of music in. Okay, let's go. Let's take a look if we can take some scalps. I think market open will be a sweep along and then a move short for the rest of the day. And my reason, my reason for that is we got stuck on trend, but we hard closed. We hard closed this low right here, so we can move up further. My target is up here. Protect of the daily break, the 4 hour, like greediest level you can take on this side. And we didn't even reach this level up here. That's the continuation of the ladder, so it's probably gonna break this level, move through, hit this. Let's see if we're moving short internally or that we can move up to this level and take a nice trade towards it. We have like an hour left before market open, so we can take like a trade that's gonna bring us towards it at market open. Let's see what the 4 hour, the 1 hour, 15. Basically broke below this, so we're gonna find some level in here. It's kind of annoying. 5 minute backside, but got hard close, so it's not gonna be this. Maybe it's gonna be 3 minutes. Let's see if we can go from 15 to 5. I think this was gonna be the 5, and then you have the 15 next, the 3 next. So you have the 15. Oh. 15, 5, 3. Yeah, 3 is gonna be down here. So we probably hit the 3 minute backside. Or even the 1. For now it looks like the 3. So let's see. Got a 1 like really close. We got a 1 really close. So it's gonna be this, I think. This is gonna be the like the greediest. And hold on, I wanna keep on the 3 minutes because that's your polarity probably. Okay. So we've hit 1 Gained above 3. 3 was the polarity, and then we moved up. So we've hit 3. A 1 minute backside. That's like very greedy. So if 1, 2, 3. This was the 3 we gained. So 3. And then to 5. So it's 5 right here. And a 15. You got a 15 right here. But we also gained a 15 backside, and we actually bounced off of it like twice. So the long we are looking for is going to be somewhere in here, because we managed to ladder. So your backside, front side. If you hit this, you can probably look for some level inside of here, because you're laddering from this point. Maybe we can take a look at this. Rather take this right here, because you're laddering 5 as well. 5 on the backside, so you're going to be at 5 backside right here probably. This is an interesting level. And we got 15, so we bounced to 15, we actually started a ladder. Let's see if we can take any longs here. So we're moving along, as you can see. We had the 15, so 5 is next. We got hit. We've actually hit the 5. But you can hit it again. It's just not likely. So 5, 3, 3. So this is gonna be next. And we can hit the 5 again. It's gonna be break even real quick if we get in here. So let's say we take this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just gonna take 2 by the way, because it's gonna be a little more accurate on the 3. Let's see if we can break up right here. So taking a long. Okay. This is quite. By the way, I think I'm gonna look for something a little bit greedier, because if it continues to ladder, but you move down because you're trying to hold some level down here, it can be that you like sweep down. It's something in here, so I kind of don't want to take it. By the way, I want to take it, but let's look for something a little better, because you've held this twice as well. So it's 15. Yes, you're laddering. Now you're hitting the 15 break. If you hit this, it's gonna be ideal. So let's see. 15 to 5. This got reversed on a lower time frame, bounced again, so now you want to look in here. You want to break the move on top right here. Kind of the most ideal thing is if you hit this, right? It's 15. But what's going to be some sort of combination level of the 15 front side? Be down here. So see, it's going to be this. I think this can hold again. And if we hit this, or yeah, we've hit the backside already. This is gonna be my next step, or my next. Can't we hit the wick, because wick is reversed on the 3 minute? Maybe that's the 15. It is in a 15. Doesn't have to be the 15 itself. It's maybe 5 minute backside. Look at the 3 minute. This is possible. Yes. And it was polarized. See, so you came back up. You couldn't break it. You got below it. You got over it, and now you're hitting it multiple times. So this is gonna be my long for now. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. I don't want to get front run, so that's why I'm taking a little bit more. So we're breaking the high now. One thing we can do is just move up right now, or we gonna. We didn't take off this one. Whoa. A bit lower, yeah, okay. So it's possible we break the high on the 5 minute right here. And then we move short, or we just move over what we're trying to do. So you have a ladder point right here. You can try to establish a new one from some level back here. This will move you short. So we hit the break. it's possible we move straight over. We're gonna test back the break itself or this right here and then move long. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so this is gonna be my long. It's 5-minute backside. Or if we break through, we're gonna just take this. We're gonna just take this as a level. 3-minute backside. Let's see what it does. And otherwise it's gonna be down here. But it's below a 1 hour ladder already, so I don't want to take this for now though. See if we can gain some 4 hour. We are gaining a 4 hour as well. That's beautiful. I think this one's gonna break because we're just so close to it, and we trend held was the thing that held. So if you move over, you just move over into this level right here. Maybe we can get to here before market open, hit it, move down, we break even at market open. The market open will just shoot us down into this range. I actually broke a 50-minute origin. Wow. So you can test back this even. It's gonna be some level in here. I'm positive about this level. Okay. We broke this right here, and that's very positive. We want to go for the break up here now. So let's see. We can still hit this down here, but it's gonna be, I think it's quite a surprise. We are breaking a 15-minute backside right here. So we're breaking over. Actually broke to this and then tested it back, moved up. I didn't see that, but it's all cool. It's all cool. That means this one got tested basically already, or like this polarity. So or we move down, hit this and move up, or even down here, but it's like really greedy, and I'm not expecting that to happen. I think this 50-minute is more likely. Let's see. Maybe it's gonna be even this right here. Hold on. Can we get even greedier? I think we can, but are we? Oh, I think this is it. Hold on. Yeah. Gonna go for this right here. Maybe we're missing the move. Maybe we're not. I hope not, but I just want to be like as accurate as possible. I don't want to be taking all random levels, but this looking even nicer on the 1 hour and the oh, not on the 1 hour, on the 15-minute though. And on the 15-minute it looks really nice, and because we're trying to break 50-minute polarity, I think this is something that can do it, and it's super greedy. We can also all the way move all the way down here. Also possible. Let's take a small stop loss. What's going to be our stop loss? Didn't even look at that. Whoa. Stop loss is going to be like 150. So $150 on one lot. 150. It's like my average loss backside lettering this to this point. Yeah, we can go back down to this point, but I just want to see this hit and then push up. We can also take the 15 wick. We are not greedy. It's possible we are not greedy at all. I'm just looking at the wrong things. But I think this has a really good chance of like moving the market up. But I just want to take greedy levels, not too much risk. This is positive. We broke over it on the 5 minute already, so we are in the last stage basically before moving over. It is possible we hit something in here, so let's see. 15 minute. Oh yeah, we had hit a. We've done this already. Go from 5 to possibly 5. This is gonna be like the greediest. See how it looks on the 3 and on the 5 minutes, on the 1 minute. I think we rather would be looking at some range in here. I think this is gonna do it, right? It is this backside. Is it gonna be this backside? Okay, so we would have been in the trade right now and we would have been break even. Yeah, we would have been in this trade right now. Okay, it's cool. If you miss it, it's cool. We just want it to be... Yeah, we would have been in. Okay. Okay. Wow, this was gonna be the entry probably. Didn't take it for... Yeah, right, so we took 15, 5 is next. So this was kind of... I can hit myself now because I'm... I'm just calling things and not taking it. I look for some other jazz-ish. A jazzy mix. Oh, we are in this place, okay. No copyright jazz, but that's like a little too old school for me. Okay, so we missed the move, I think. Yeah, we missed the move. Probably. If you look at this, I should have taken this level and with a little bit of front run, so we would have been in. I didn't. I was like, nah, we can hit this as well. It's possible we still hit it, but not if you look at this. Yeah, it's my own fault, man. I think it's not gonna happen that we move short to hit this again. And yes, we are laddering 5 minutes, but you know what it is? This is still possible though. I think this is still possible, but it's just gonna be a sweep. I'm not expecting it now. I missed this entry, man. Oh. Just listen to yourself, right? Like one positive thing, we were looking at the right direction, in the right direction, right? So can't complain. The knowledge is there, knowledge is on point, but maybe even, look at this. You're up here with the break. So this was the official break. So you broke this, yes, internally, and then basically even over here. Like that's the 1 hour probably. Okay, it's a little bit above the 1 hour even. So if the 1 hour is up here, 50-minute is up here. So maybe we didn't miss the trade. Maybe we're still gonna get filled on this entry. Yeah, it's possible. It's very possible. Like you move down, hit this, move up. If we have 5 to 5 or maybe 5 to 3. So now we're gonna hit this, but we already hit it. This was 3 already. 3. Hit it some 5 over here. So 3 is gonna be over here or over here. So I think this actually makes a good chance still. Not guaranteed, but and this one is broken on the 5 already, so this is his last moment. You see how it's touching trend, and again, and I move under, touch trend again. So now we're gonna touch trend again probably, and we need one of these levels to break trend. Or you just move over, get back in on the other side and move up. I'm a little sad we missed the entry, because we would have been in a trade break even. It's very unfortunate. I think we are possibly gonna hit this, and it's literally the same level as back here. So it's probably not even this level, but it's representing the same level. Still can sweep down, move up. It's just I've seen it so many times, bro. And it's the end of the 15 minutes. So it touched the 15, so it can happen now, but looking at the 1 hour, I don't know if it's gonna happen, because we are like 60 minutes left and it has to be inside of this candle basically. So I think we just missed the move, and the move, like, what did we miss out on from this point to this point? Yeah, like 1.5K. So we just missed out on 1.5K if we don't get filled. If we get filled, we can even take it to this level up here. Like this is more safe. This is nicer. It's gonna be like 2K plus as well. So let's say it's gonna be 2.2, 2.3K. I think 2.2K. So we're hitting trend. So I really hope to get filled on this level still within like 15 minutes. It is possible. We really need to do it within the hourly. Let's just wait. Gonna be waiting, man. He said he took a milli, so let's see. Nice. A friend of mine, he just closed a trade. Hold on, it's... Can you see it? See? 260%, that's nice. 260%, it's like $300. So, not too bad. Gotta send a message real quick. We're just gonna wait for the entry to happen. If it still happens. I hope so. I think gotta send a message real quick. John, I think. I forgot someone's name, bro. Without. To Jones. '17 September. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if we're still gonna get filled, but I really hope we do. It's gotta be in the next 10 minutes, right? So, but we also gained a... Oh, we can come back for the 15. We just broke a 15 backside. We're breaking this right here, so you can... We didn't officially break it. Okay, we're hitting the origin again. So this is gonna be first, and if this doesn't break it, we'll move even further, hit some level in here and then move up, probably. Or we create it on a bigger time frame. But the hourly is over here, so let's mark the hourly break. Like if we're still here at marked open will probably try to break the hourly break. But I already see it breaking the 4 hour or the daily break, and it's up here. 4 hours up here, and this is the level that's protecting it. So let's see. Stop loss is gonna be 150. Okay, we're gonna get filled. Nice, and then we have to pull up. Because the 1 hour really wants to or has to push up. So 9 minutes. So if 9 minutes to get filled and move up. Okay, let's just wait and see what happens. This all has to happen in like... Oh, in the next finishing of the finishing, like in the next hour. So let's go. Or are we gonna hold like a 3 minutes something? Possibly. That we're just hitting some sort of 50-minute backside. We have news. Let's mark news the way. Didn't do that today. We had news over here as well. So maybe this still needs to be tested, but we just had news. News moved the market up, and now we can test it back because we kind of do need to still hit this. Yes, sir. Okay. Welcome to the stream, y'all. Welcome to the stream. Yo, 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 yo. We trading? Are you trading? Are you trading today, my man? My man. Yeah. I just missed an entry, and I'm kind of pissed because I had an entry on this level right here. On this 5-minute backside. I put it on front run, so this was gonna be my entry, and it would have been like perfect. It was 66.50, and it moved down, and then I was like, maybe we can go a little bit greedier even. So I was like, nah, let's just not take it, move it lower to be a little bit more greedy. And it hit it perfectly, moved up, missed the move, so we could have taken like a nice few R and maybe even like 1.5k or something like that. So it's a little bit painful because I could have had this right here to this up here, even more than two, like 1.6k. Yeah, happens, bro. It happens. Yeah. 65. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's over here as well. Yeah, I literally placed my order at 66.50, but I just decided to move it lower last second. I literally placed it on the wick down here, but it's cool. You're gonna get a new one. We're breaking the 1 hour, the 5 minute. We just broke over, moved under to test something in this range, and now we're moving up. So I could have had another entry over here, but I don't know. It still can sweep down, move up. So I'm not expecting it because the hourly is almost closing. you just never know. You just never know with the Nasdaq, you know. Can get something like this, you know. So let's just wait. See? Little unfortunate. It is what it is. Maybe it can still get filled. Like what you see a lot, right? This is the most efficient price to buy. Buyer stepping in, fail to create a new high, comes back, buyer stepping in, moving over. So moving short is possible, but we basically did it already. So moving up is more logical. But one thing, we are trying to break a 15-minute origin. And it is possible for us to like move short, hit this, or like it is kind of reversing. So if it stays reversed, we can, if this reverses, we can like hit it, move short, hit this, pull up, and then the next 50-minute opens and that moves through. Or you can move the next one through right away. It's also possible because we basically tested back this backside. So we tested backside, backside. Front side is next, still possible. We don't want to get down here, so I'm just gonna remove this and this. Keeping in mind, market open is in half an hour though. So let's see if it moves over. Yeah. 5-minute backside. We can hit this perfectly if we move over this. 250 stop loss, not too bad. So if we move over this level right here, I can put my stop below this, and we will just take this level right here. $200 stop loss, not too bad at all. Like it's not bad at all. And then we have a few more minutes. We basically hit trend as well, right? Backside trend. Got over, hit backside. Oh no, this is just inside of trend, by the way. 50 seconds left. Let's wait. Let's wait a few seconds. If this reverses, I'm kinda think it can hit this, and this can break the move because it's a 5-minute hold. And then you create something like buyer stepping in, fail to create a new high, buyer stepping in, creating a new high, buyer stepping in, fail to create a new high, or succeed. One of two, right? 11 seconds. If this thing moves over last second, I'm gonna place my order on this level right here. Well, then I'm gonna put it in like, no, okay, we didn't. Still think this can hold though, but I'm not gonna put my entry on it. I'm just gonna wait it for this front side to get filled. It's a representation of this wick right here, and it's kind of reversed also on the 15-minute. So let's wait. It would be nice if we get an even more efficient entry than instead of oh, I'm gonna turn on my light real quick. It's snowing like crazy in the Netherlands, bro. Yes, sir. Kijk hem shine. Yeah, man. Look at me shine, boy. Look at me shine. Like this. Bro, over here it's snowing like crazy. It's for real. We have the same. I'm gonna send you a picture. We have like huge snowmans over here. It's crazy. Hold on. Sven, look at this, bro. I'm gonna send you the snowmans over here. This one's crazy. Oh, hold on, this one's crazy. And this one right here. Bro, these things were huge. They were bigger than I was. Than I am. Kijk, Discord. I'm gonna look at Discord. Yeah, man. Nice. Thanks. Oh, I'm gonna make it my PF in Discord, yeah? Where can I do this? Oh, it's crazy. Why can't I change my... I cannot change my profile picture. Yeah, look at this, bro. We know the market, right? We know the market. Hopefully. It's also possible to move all the way down here, but I'm just expecting this and then a move up. 150 stop loss, even better. Market makers, for real, bro, for real. Market makers. Market makers on point, you know. You have people stepping in, failing to create a new high over here, creating a new high over here, moving short. This is the best place to buy now. People stepping in, or failing to create a new high, or creating a new high. And if you create a new high, I'm very happy, but you can be break even when we hit this and move up. Just stop loss below this level. Maybe we're gonna take a $200 stop loss, but yeah, maybe 200 is just better. 200 is better. Just gonna take 200. I look ridiculous with this hat. Market makers. 100%. Oh, thanks for hyping the stream, by the way. It's not as dead as it is when you're not around, you know. Can also hit this even. But it's just gonna take this, like, let's just take the level I had originally marked. Look how it looks reversed on the 15, right? We just take this low, stop below the lows, and we're gonna protect this range. Thanks, bro. Order filled, order filled. Order filled. Let's get it, let's get it. Market makers, 100%, bro. Oh, no, not getting front run, please, please. This happens too often, man. 200 is better, just a little wider. Let's make it 225, right? Let's see, and then we need a huge pull. Try to gain, like stay in this range, move up, try to gain, try to break over the 15. See, it's gonna hit the 15 break, the 15 backside. It's always the 15-minute backside. You know what it is. And now we need to gain, and then we need to try to break up. We're gonna try to break the hourly break on top, or we're gonna move like short straight from this point down, or we can gain from this point, break this, going for the hourly break, at least this point right here probably, and our end goal is to get to this point and take one more short over here with a $200 stop loss. That's what we want. That's what we want. That's exactly what we want. We need a 2440. It's not too bad. 2480, I mean, my bad. Let's make some bank, boys. Let's make some bank, hopefully. Would be nice though. What do you think of my new drip, bro? Like, the head is crazy. Yo. From the hood. I'm not, by the way, but yeah. Let's wave myself, you know. Okay, okay. This is looking quite okay. But cannot juich too early. Right. It's not a knife catch. So I cannot, like, it is a knife catch, but it's like at how accurate the first touch is, but it still is a testing of a range, so you can just have multiple hits like you have over here. Even though I think it's just this, and then we try to move up. I kind of want to put it below this wick, but I think I'm just gonna put it below. Yeah, but if we have anything greedier, and I missed it, I'm gonna cry because I get stopped out and then we move up, you know? Can we gain 1 minute? We can. But we also have 1 minute level down here still. So if we go for that, we also have this 1 minute right here that's trying to hold the move. So you can even go all the way. Oh no, this is hard closed. This isn't. So we can technically come all the way down to this point right here. I just don't want. So let's put it below this wick. A 185. Yes, sir. Yeah. It's a vibe, right? You know, this music is just a vibe. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. want to gain a 15. So see. You want to hit the backside, pull up. Come on. Okay, what I'm gonna do is put it break even, I think. Because we have only 1 minute hits, wicks. $5 in profit. Yes, we can get stopped out and still move up. But I just wanna be off my risk. I just wanted to move up and try to continue to move up, right? If you see orders pull in like this, like why would you want to come back down? If like one more level that can hold this move up, it is right here. So what you can do is place one more order. No, but you can still hold the range by hitting this, for example. So let's place one more buy order right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ctrl C. So if we get stopped out right now, we're gonna go to the like greediest point of this range. If it needs to come down again. We want to gain a 3 minute. We already did, or we're trying to at this point. Hey. Clean drip, thanks bro. Yeah, right. The drip's clean. Clean. If you get this as first trade, I'm gonna be really happy. Welcome to the stream, boys. Yes, sir. No, not my head, man. It's gaining at 3 minutes, so that's positive. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so it's just gonna be waiting, bro. Trading can be very boring. Doesn't have to be, it just can be. Yeah. I actually like this music, bro. Nice. Yeah. Ooh. Maybe I should choose a different career and be rapping or something like that. Yeah. We got some hyping going on. Thank you. We just wanna see this continuing up and break through, and then we're gonna have a very nice trade. Lil trade. Yeah, for real, bro. Get a different career. Lil Trady. Oh yeah. Yeah. Freestyling from the hood. Yeah. Actually, Lil Trady. I think it's not even too bad of a name, bro. Especially not if you tried day trading as career, you failed, and then you just go go freestyling or trying to be Harry Mack or something like that. Fuck. For real, bro. Lil Trady. How do you even come up with something like that? It's like, it hits different. Yeah, probably. Okay, Metis is trading New York Open. Metis is trading New York Open. Fuck met die naam, bro. For real. Yeah. Jongen, eindelijk had die trade niet gezet, maar had wel het P gehad nu. Ja, for real. Werd gelopen. Werd geropen. Werd geropen. Die naam is echt... Yeah, for real. Bro, this name is different. See, I place my cursor right here, and you can see it rejects all of it. Like I am a market maker, I'm telling you. You're serious. You didn't trust my entries, and you didn't put in the order, right? So, it's all your own fault again. You're just gonna blame other people. We're gonna blame each other every single day. It's for all our problems. Yeah, I want to see this pull up. Maybe I just should take it to like some level in here, wait for market open to happen. It's almost news. I hope news is very positive. As 10 minutes is market open, so I think I want to take this order off for market open. It's a little bit... I think that's something I should do. Just take this order off for market open. It is possible that you do with market open, you sweep down and then move up. At least I know you want to try to break the range on top. This level can hold again. I'm just gonna leave it here. But I think market open will like blow it straight through if it moves us short. I hope we go steady, we go up. At least to this point. Hold up, we're gonna try to break this high, right? So 4 hours, so at least to the 4 hour. We got stuck on the wick of the 4 hour. So now we're gonna go for the body of the 4 hour. And then we're gonna take one more short. So let's go for 2300. 2320. So let's see. I think this has really good chance of working out. You basically create your new ladder point, so you don't want to take this anymore. It is still possible for it to hold though. It's still not marked open yet. So maybe we should take it off before marked open and not at this point. So if that's this one, let's put it on like till marked open. So we're just sure. So we're just sure we don't get stopped out or whatever. Let's move the stop a little bit higher. So you also don't have like spreading of fees and stuff like that. Let's move it into the $20. 20 like this. So if we still move short, we're gonna be break even. Yo, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. We're just chilling, hitting some or getting some trades. I hope we move up for real. Like, don't want to be in some sort of have you also seen the videos of this guy that's trying to be or like act like Andrew Tate? He's freaking funny. We're streaming with Lil Trading, Lil Baby Trading. Bro, it sounds so weird. Baby Trading. It's like, nah. Sounds awkward, bro. Lil Baby Trading, for real. Yeah, that guy is so funny. Yeah, cat owners are a pussy. You're just gay. You're so gay. Yeah, Lil Trade is better, right? For real. If you're a cat owner, you're gay. We have to gain a this is not looking too positive. Yeah. Like Andrew Trade imitation is thanks for hyping the stream, man. Thank you. It's just very funny. This guy is very funny. Okay, we get taken out for break even.
Order filled.
Okay, hopefully we can reach this point before New York Open. Hey, it was a perfect entry though, so can't complain. With just 1 minute. We can also like take this up here, but I don't know if I want to. I think I'd rather just take the greediest thing. This got hard closed, this got created off of it. This is your next ladder point up. So the 3 minutes. It is also a 3 minute level basically. 3 minute hold. That's holding the move. So as long as we can bounce off of this, we gotta be break even real quick though, because this is like your last hold. And if this doesn't bounce, or if this bounces but doesn't hold, we just cooked. But we can take it short as well, right? So let's see what the short is. It's 15 minute to 5. So 15 minute to 5. 5 down here with 5 wick or 5 body. We can take a look at the 3. The 5 body is also 3 body. Let's see. 1 minute backside. 3 minutes. Gonna get hit right now, I think. We cannot cross pair, so let's just keep it like this. Okay, so this getting hit right now, so I'm going with the body of the 3 and the 5. If we... Okay, and this is getting hit right now, so that was the next step. If you move through, it's even... Whoa. Should I just have had my trade on break even still? Not in profit? Oh, that would be so unfortunate, man. I had an entry on this level. Okay, but I would have been stopped out, right? Should have been break even on the wick. Ah, that's so unfortunate if we don't move down towards this level. En met Mo gaat hij naar de maan. With Mo going to the moon. Okay, so... Oh, you're kidding me. You just got stopped out and now it's moving. We didn't get stopped out, we got stopped out break even, like in a little bit of profit. Marked open. Yep. I'm a little bit sad right now. Are you kidding me? Should have been break even on the wick, not like a little bit in drawdown. Now I was a little bit in profit. So yeah, I have a little bit of profits, but it's just not... I'm just missing a move of like 2k, so that's very unfortunate. So we had the 5 minute, greediest level right here. And then we had the 3 minutes next, and the 3 minute got reversed. So it's also possible 3 minutes holds again, right? So we went again for this level. So we went for a 50-minute backside. And then 5 minutes, my 5-minute front side after. Wow, that's so unfortunate, but shit happens. Was a very nice entry though, and a nice pull and a B break even. So everything according to plan. Everything according to plan. So it just is what it is. Gonna see if we can catch marked open. It's almost marked open. We don't have enough time to get in a trade before the liquidity, so we're just gonna try and catch the sweep. So let's do that. We're gonna try and catch the sweep, and then we're good. Or do we have time left? We have 3 minutes left. Maybe we do have time left. Yo, Tarun. welcome to the stream. We're trading New York Open. So the Nasdaq New York Open. We're gonna try to catch the sweep. I'm actually an 18-year-old hustling designer. I'm a great thumbnail for you. Would you mind considering? Yeah, it's not. Maybe I would, because I'm. Yeah, maybe I would actually. I've been I'm gonna try to grow YouTube channel. And maybe I would. Depends on like how much you're asking and when. And what previous work you've done. I want to see some previous work and then see if it's worth it for me, because I'm still like a small creator, right? Where can I send it? That's a good one, bro. I didn't. Hold on. How can we do this? Yeah, my prices are very low anyway. Okay, that's cool. But we can always talk right, even if it costs a little bit more. That's not too big of a deal. Just gonna see if I can send you my email. Okay, I'm gonna show you my email. Oh, Discord, it's even better. Yeah, just send me a Discord message. Thanks, bro. It's even better. I didn't. Hold on. Discord. Okay, so my Discord is this. So it's marked open in a few seconds. Oh, that's so unfortunate, man, that I didn't have this trade running right here. So if you send me a Discord message, we can talk about it, man. Sure, I'm gonna send it in here in some time. Thank you, man. That's all good. Do you have some like social media, or do you have any? Are you on Fiverr or something, or what's the? How do you sell your stuff normally? I have my previous work portfolio website. Okay, what's your website? Cool. I'm gonna take a look at it. I'll reach out to streamers. Okay. By the way, Geld Aapje, look at what we missed, bro. Like. Look at this. What is your website, man? I'm interested in visiting your website. Ik zie het, man. Yeah, or it still moves down. It's very possible, but we were in a trade from this level right here. Got in, then I took a break even and I got stopped out, so it's just unfortunate. Did you send anything on Discord yet? Okay, no. Oh, good. Your Discord username doesn't seem to work. It's weird, man. It is. That is my Discord name. I'll take a look at it. Friends. Can you try it again? Because I like it is my Discord name. Oh yeah, okay, I got it. It's it worked. So let's see. Can you do me a favor though? Can you subscribe? So I just gotta I'll send you a message. We'll Okay, so we got each other Discord now. Nice sub, thanks bro. That's like much appreciated. Yeah, cool. So let's see what marked open does, by the way. Okay, it breaks through trend like expected. Let's see if we can get a sniper entry. Hey, thanks bro. Yeah, we'll check out your work and we will be in contact later if I'm looking for someone to actually create some thumbnails for me. Thank you. Like we're all on the hustling game, right? So I can only appreciate someone that's like grinding as well. Like you're doing the work to reach out to people. And I think a lot of people don't want to do that or are too lazy to. So I can only appreciate it. So let's help each other if that's if you got what I'm looking for. Well, I'm gonna take a look at your work real quick. I got some. Okay. You made these thumbnails. So FTMO is still worth it. Like you sent me in Discord. I'm gonna take a look at your website. Yeah, I kind of like your style thumbnails. If you can make stuff like this, maybe we can. Like the website as well. It's clean, man. It's a very clean website as well. Yeah, you're definitely gonna check it out. Can I just contact you in Discord as well? I'm also able to make you free samples so you can look at it and decide. Yeah, we can talk about it later in Discord. I like what I see, so thank you for for reaching out. It's I can appreciate it. I'm a little bit sad, bro. Like, I put my stop loss too high. Like in profits. Literally, if I would have put it break even on my level, wouldn't have been stopped out. So that's unfortunate. And we would have gotten a nice trade probably. It's all good though. I'm also open to make you free some. Yeah, okay. We still the same chat, right? Yeah, for real, bro. This move would have been from this point. Yeah, almost 30%. So it would have been like up in 1k. Like you could have taken easily like 1.5, or the next hourly low, right? So to the hourly level on this side, because you have an hourly break that you can try to protect. It's crazy how we work with 1 hour so much on the Nasdaq. I'm still positive we can reach this before moving down, with some buy orders as well. Let's see if we're hitting anything. So, or we can hold on. We can take a look at what we can trade next, because we got the ladder point, right? So we got the 5 minute. 5 minute 15 is next. So we got this level right here. But then you can go a little bit deeper as well. Next 5. Okay, so this is a 5. This is your next 5, and then you've got 3 minutes. 3 minute backside from 5. So you go to this. To this, you can hit this again. You can take this just to be sure. A little wide stop loss. Can take a 3 minute level. Not the reverse, just the level itself. We take the wick, and the wick can be hit again. So I think we're gonna do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next ladder point. Cancel. Taking a long. Taking a long right here. It's internally, right? So we can take this to break the upside. But it's also possible it just leaves this and moves straight to it. That's actually what I want to see. Ah, bro. I just can't stop thinking about it. I just got stopped out in profits. And that's not too bad because it's like $20, so you cannot... Yeah. I'd rather be in a like 1k trade, or like in a 2 or 3k trade, instead of a getting stopped out for $20 and knowing you have $20. So let's see, man. So I got 5 minutes. 5 minutes hit perfectly, so 5 minutes next. You got 5 minutes down here, kind of reversed and hit again. It's 3 minutes, so 3 minutes to 3 minutes. I rather take this, and it's a 1 minute backside, right? It isn't. This is a 1 minute backside. Is a okay, so I rather take this on the 1 minute. Hold on. The 5 minute level is also just very interesting. I cannot believe we just got stopped out in profits, and then it started to move. It's so unfortunate. Like you're waiting. Like we still got a short over here, but you're waiting. You're getting filled. You break even in profits, and then you get stopped out, and then move. So there was still another level. Did we maybe hit this again? Yeah. So we probably hit the 15-minute break, and then we went for the 5 minutes. So yeah, it happens. So we went for the 15-minute break, and then after we went for the 5 minute level up here. Okay. Okay, we just hit the 1 hour. So we're gonna test back something in side of this. So we got the 15-minute back right here. 15-minute origin. We move through, we can still hit something in it. So we have 15. So 15 is next over here. This is the range we're looking in. And from this 15 we've hit 15, 5 right here. This can hold again, but then you have 5 to 5. So right here, or 5 to 3. Let's do here. I think this makes a real chance. Or this got hit already, right? Because you have the wick. Got over it. Reversed in it. Moved over it. tested it back, moved up. So this is your polarity, I think. It's 1 minute first valley, 1 minute valley. So I have 3 minute valley, and the 3 minute valley is right here. That's actually, this makes sense. So this actually makes sense. Let's take this level. 5 minute to 5 minute, yes. This actually makes sense. What's gonna be the stop? Like below this wick at least. That's 250, so if you do like 400, yeah. If we do 400, we're safe. Like, to take this level at least. Let's change this out to 25, 7, 84. Oh, this is a 3 minute, by the way. 3 minute valley, 5 minutes top of some sort of range. It's next, we've hit the 5 minute backside. Right here as well. So this is nicely lining up. 1 minute, I mean. 1 minute backside, moved over, moved under. First 1 minute valley. But the 1 minute level got hit. Moved over, created the backside, didn't hard close. It's combination with a 3 minute backside slash levels. So if you take just the 3 minute backside, we can bounce. It's just not gonna happen. I think we're gonna hit this, move short. See, we could have taken at least to this point right here, and we could have taken it to the 4 hour. The 4 hour one doesn't want to load because it's the 4 hour, right? Top step problems. So yeah, kind of sad we just got stopped out break even, and then we have like a move of 2k. All good, all good. We're gonna do it again today. Like, we're gonna end the day green, bro. We're gonna end the day green. Let's do this for real. 100%. Just gonna move through this. We're hitting this break already, right? So we want to break this move over this. We get the greediest level, move short, pull back into trend. Moving short, we can remove this limit buy, and we can take it all the way down to this level right here. And that's what is this move? I'm very curious. It's a move of 5k, right? So let's go for a 5k move. I'm in. I'm in always for 4k. Like, who isn't, right? I kind of want to take it like very wide stop, because I just don't want to get stopped. I just want to get this entry, move short, be break even, be happy with some very good profits. But we are kind of on a wide stop already, and it's $200. So imagine how accurate this hit is going to be. It's news can move a short or long, and it will take one of these two levels, I'm assuming. Just broke through this. We can test back this from some sort of level back in here. So I'm more so thinking we're gonna hit this level right here and move short. And this one, we can remove this one if we would have made 2k already, but we just got stopped out break even. No way, man. It happens. Life of a trader. You're gonna get stopped out, break even, and then the move goes. Better than losing money, right? So, or getting stopped out in a for a big loss. How's your day, guys? Like, I see I got some viewers. Can anyone like tell me how their day is, or are they making money? Are you guys making money? Do you have are you trading today, or studying, learning to trade? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, we just closed the 1 hour as well, right? Yep. Oh no, 15 more minutes to Bro, it is perfect. If we hit this in like 10 minutes time, pull and then close. Ho ho, that's gonna be a banger of a trade. If it moves short, of course. If you don't break up, it's possible you break up, but not very likely in this Pandora's boxing. We're just gonna hit this. That there's just too many orders for such a long time. You just gotta hold this, like it's no question about it. It's a combination with your 1 minute, right? Let's see if we got any greedy levels. Anyone having a nice day? Okay, okay, yeah. So ladder to range to range to range, and then you're literally at this point right here, bro. This is so perfect. It's like almost too perfect. Like I kind of want to take 2 lots on it, and then put my stop above this wick still on a $400 loss. I think I'm gonna do that. I think actually I'm gonna trade for 2 lots this trade, because the entry is just so nice. Like it's literally the top of all the liquidity. Oh, I need a $400 stop, by the way. I forgot. 400 for like a 10k. It will be a 10k, but I will put it at. But 10k today would be crazy. Would be very nice though. It will hit this and then pull. Pull. Best is if you close it below trend, but we didn't really hard close the daily trend on any level yet. So it's still only on the 15. So hourly can be next. Do hard close trend. Let's see if we can make 10k today. It would be. It sounds crazy as well, right? Even if we take it to this level down here, we just have a very nice trade. But I know this is the 4-hour break, and we already broke this 4-hour break. So maybe you can even take it to some level down here, and that would be crazy. Like we taking this right here, we're moving short. We possibly going to like some sort of level in here, but I think we don't have enough time for today, unless it like rips through down. If we get entry on this trade, I'm gonna remove all these orders. This is just so perfect. That's why I'm taking 2 lots. First time on this account I'm taking a 2-lot trade, but the stop loss will be like $400. So why wouldn't I, right? Worst case scenario, we got stopped out on $400. Let's make it 450. I just don't wanna. Okay, so. Just need a little bit more patience. Like trading isn't a game you can rush, right? You broke through this. You broke this high, so that means this is next. So we're already like in line to hit this level. I'm just creating some smaller time frame range. Hitting this, now we're gonna bounce and we're gonna move into this. Gonna move over, create some new level and then move into it. It's a matter of minutes. I am so curious. It's also possible you create some sort of range over here. You move a little bit short and then you will like sweep up, move down, even past this. Like way past this, because this is literally the highest place in the range you can go to. So what you can do is take a backside level. So you can take probably a level inside of here. So we can take this to this. We got some polarity here, right? So we got the 1 hour, if I'm correct, over here. Yeah, see, but we moved over, hit it, pulled from it, moved below it, hit it again, then we moved over. Now we're moving over, but this one is completely hard closed. So I'm just gonna remove this. Yes, we're gonna have a bounce off of it, but let's see. Oh, hold on, is this in line with some level down here? I think so. The next 5-minute wick. So if we take any level, it's gonna be this right here. That's also crazy. Whoa. actually. So you moved over, you bounced it as last bounce and then moved up. So if you can get any entry here, this is going to be a resistance point. I think this is the thing you want to bounce, but so you're gonna create a range down here and you're gonna hit this later, I think, a little bit later. If you hit it, bro, you have literally the top of this whole leg, right? So if you hit this level, you have the top of this move. So either you move a little bit short and you move over, or you hit this and you move all the way down into this range. Like, by the way, you have moved a lot up and down and you see a lot of polarity like in this range over here and over here. So what you also can do is hit the outside of this range, hit a backside level somewhere in here, and then still move long. But that means you're gonna break the trends. And I think there's a lot, like way more compression that needs to happen. So I think you're gonna hit this, you move short to the other side, hit some level inside of here, this polarity, in combination with trend or just a little bit through trend, pull up, you know. And then we're gonna keep on moving inside of trend till we get to some point down here, and then we move out or break out. Then we test trend back probably and then move up, something like that, or short. One of these things is gonna happen. I'm just very, very curious to see this. I think it's safe to say we can take off this level, right? It's gonna wait a little bit longer though. I'm so kind of excited for this level to be hit, to see what's gonna happen. Like if this is it, it's gonna be my biggest trade ever probably. From tomorrow I'm back from holiday, so you'll be okay. So one of the boys is gonna be back trading tomorrow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A lot of patience in this game. Yeah, Alex, bro. Alex is gonna be back. Alex is gonna be back tomorrow. We're gonna be trading with the boys, maybe. I already trade alone though, and then live stream it. Or I will trade with someone, but then not discuss too much about my trades. Just take my levels and don't think about it. So you're arranging, and then we're gonna. Well, I think what can happen. So you have a lot of people pulling short, pulling short, pulling short, or pushing short, pushing short, pushing short. You move over, hit this level, and then you move. Very possible. What you see a lot on every single market is people pushing aside or like towards some side, and they're thinking they're catching the long and they are in this long, but you sweep everyone out, take some level over here that was like even lower than all the people pushing. All these positions get liquidated and then you move up, and it's just happening a lot, also on lower and higher time frame as well. So just the obvious things don't happen in this market. It's always based on like the people who think more about a trade. It's just not always the higher high or the lower low, because you have so many different time frames, so much information in the market. You really need to know what you're doing. You cannot just get in the market somewhere and make money. It's not how it works. I think you can want it, but or be delusional and think that's how it works. It's just not how it works. So let's see. Maybe streaming is the perfect thing for me. I can just talk a lot and that's it. Okay, so let's wait for this level. We can ask Mattis what he's looking at. Let's ask. Hold on, we got live trading. Hold on, I will just. The Nasdaq. Are you looking at? What are you looking at, my friend? Very curious what he's looking at. Let's make this a little smaller though. Okay, so let's see. Okay. I'm curious what Mattis is looking at. So what you see here is just a lot of orders coming in short, right? You're hitting, we're like getting closer and closer. You can kind of see it already a little bit. It's just not too extreme. People pushing it short in the hope they catch the short, and this is the long. And what you see a lot, if this happens, so you have long. A lot of the times you will just sweep them out, take some level inside of here, or maybe even this level down here. So you'll get a sweep, move up, hit some level up here. People think, oh, we're gonna long from this point, so they're getting in here, and they will move to short because a higher time frame is doing something else. Really happens a lot of the time. So don't just get in the next ladder point if the market is laddering like higher and higher already, because a lot of the times you just move down now, hit some sort of level in here. It's also in the combination with the higher time frame, right? So this is all happening in the 1 minute. So you see ladder, and or you will continue. Sometimes it happens, but you will hit this and then move short. So you have this range, you move over it and move short and liquidate every long that's in here. Or you break below it first, hit something else back. So there's also 1 hour, a 1 hour break, what you just broke. You move short, liquidate everything is in here. People think, oh, we go short. So as you can see, a lot of people getting in short here already. If you move short now, hit some level down here, you will move over this range. Everyone thinks, oh, we're not going short anymore. So they get in long, hit some level up here, and you have a massive pool. And then of course you can, when you hit this, you can like move a little bit short because a lot of orders coming in. And then you can move over because the buyers are stronger. But the orders are coming in, so you're gonna have a pool. That's how you play sniper entries, right? So I think we're gonna see this, and then we're gonna see that, and then we're gonna see this, and then it's a question if you're gonna move long or you're gonna move short, or it can like shoot into this now because you see it's very volatile. So my expectation is this. Okay, so we're moving short. See you wick through. Hit something in this range down here. Let's see if we move up now. It doesn't have to happen. We can also have hit the top already. So it is possible that we have hit the level that I was looking for up here. I don't think so, but it's possible. And we didn't hit the final hold yet, so we're gonna continue the ladder down here. So it's possible we sweep down, get an entry down here, move up. Looks like we're hitting something in this range. We are breaking this though, so possibly going short even further. But these people are getting liquidated, right? People want a long and then move short under, break this range. And now, or you're gonna continue short, or you're gonna move up. My expectation is up, but you broke this already, so you've hit some other time frame probably. That's 3 minutes. So you're staying in the 3 minute maybe to move up. So long, move over, hit this, move up, take out the high and then move short. So it's gonna be a little bit more like this. And then we're gonna have something like over here. I give all the way down to this point. Gonna catch the market either way, so. Kind of looking at what we've hit right now. And remove this for a moment. Can still put it on later. So now we can keep on looking for longs though. So we are breaking this, so we're gonna continue this ladder. Okay, it's kind of interesting. We need to be aware of that we've didn't hit the hourly yet. So maybe it is gonna be something like this. 73.75. 773.75. Let's put it in, take this out. Okay, so 15, that's the low of the previous. It's 5 minutes from 5 to 5. It is the 3-minute wick, so maybe a little bit higher. That was what I was looking at originally. So why I'm still looking for a long in here is because we didn't hit the greediest level yet. So we can still move short, hit this, move over, take this out, move short. Right? It's kind of the same as I was explaining here, but for now my expectation is we got this range down here, all the people trying to move up, sweeping them out to go low, hit something in this range, move up, hit this, and then we move short and dump the move completely because we are hitting the greediest spot in like the whole big leg down here. So if we hit something up here, possibility we're going all the way down here. Within trend of course, so somewhere in here, move up, move down, consolidate more, break out, something like this. So let's see. If we move up, the analysis is on point. We can also, like you've always two options in trading, right? You have an A and B question. Then you look at, like, you're not gonna predict what's happening, you're gonna look at what's happening. So you're gonna look at what are the possibilities, look at what's happening. Okay, A, what my expectation was, we take out all these people, move short, and then we move long. That's A. And then B is taking out all these people, continue to move lower, hit some ladder point up here, moving back up. So that's B. In this case, you can also make it a little more, right? So this could be question A or B. And then this could be the next A or B. Like, are we gonna go short or move over? A or B. And then right here, are we gonna hold it? Yes or no? A or B. So that's where we are right now. A is we're gonna hold it and we move over. So that's my first expectation. Or you're gonna move short because we cannot hold this range. Get the next ladder point, move up, take this out. That's gonna be B. Like this move down is gonna be B, of course. And then you have A and B. Is this move holding? Breaking we lower? Are we going higher? A or B. You see what you take a look at what's happening, and then you make your decision based on that. That's why I'm keeping this on. Like if this happens, we move up, we hit this level, exactly what I was telling you is happening. You sweep out all these people, you move over, hit this, pull under. See? Then you're making people so confused before the last like big hit, before you move down, if that happens. So how it looks now, we are trying to hold it, so it's more so looking like A. Let's just wait a little bit longer because we didn't gain anything yet. Maybe on the 1 hour, 1 minute. We did gain a 1 minute. We've hit that 1 minute over here. We did gain a 1 minute. So now we want to gain a 3 minute. When we gain this 3 minutes, we officially had A. Okay. We're trying to gain the 3 minute. A double sweep. Exactly. A double sweep. People moving long. You sweep them out. Move over, so you sweep the other way, like all people that just got in short because they panicked. Oh, this is going to be the high of this whole range. And it just isn't, because we move over again and people get in panic. Oh, we're going to go long because we're breaking it. And then, no, we're not. We're just going to take a grease level and then we're going to try to move short. A double sweep. Yes, sir. I'm just waiting. Just be more patient. Look at what your options are. I'm just so excited for this level, bro. And this is on a higher time frame, the backside, right? So what you do is you break the break level, you move over, hit it again, and then move up. Yeah, or you fail and you move down and you create a reverse level. So that's your A and B again. Do you see what's happening? Just wait patiently. Chill a little bit with people. Join your friends that are trading on Discord. If you don't have any, join some Discord community. Gonna make one in the future, by the way, so don't forget to subscribe. Like if you go, if we get some more followers, we can. I want to make a Discord community. It can be so helpful to just have people to ask questions to and meet with other people. Lights gewoon ons Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna fill the Discord of the group I'm in. Yes, sir. I'm so hyped for this level to get a hit, bro. That's like, how long is this? How long is this this level here for? Since this level has been holding since December 25, bro. It's yeah, it's this one. December 25, bro. You're kidding me. It's now January 7th, so we're holding it for not a month yet, but for like 3 weeks. I'm just so excited for this level to get hit, bro. It's also 1 minute, so gotta be a little bit careful. I'm just hoping to move over, hit this pull short completely, be just break even, have the ride of the year on 2 lots, you know, make 10k, make 20k, I don't know, biggest trade ever. I know it's super optimistic, but it's what you hope for, right? You're just trading how you supposed to trade, and there will be this one big trade in all of these trades over this year that will like push your account up so high that you can be a little bit more careful and defensive with your positions for the rest of the year, and you just make more money. Or you can be a little bit more aggressive. That's also possible. Just do what you're supposed to do. Make 50 bands, take it on 10 lots. Yeah, for real, bro. Let's do it. 10 lots, that will be 100 grand. That will be 100,000, 6 figures. That's the goal for this year, right? To make the 6 figures. I'm almost there. No, okay, I made like 18, I closed 18k on my other account, and I closed 13k on this account. So I'm at 30k at this moment of closing. But like the other account was last year basically. So let's say I made 13k this year. Beginning of this year. But still, it's like you need to pay taxes, and you need to give a part to your prop firm, right? So It's not that I made the 13k. I closed 13k like without tax on my prop firm this year. So I know I can get to the 6 figures in a few months. I know I can, and it's even possible to hit it like personally, like without like when you pay tax already. Dollar to euro as well. Yeah, man, bro, it's like 1/3 is removed, like at least 1/4. So let's say 25. Let's say 30%. 30% is just not yours. Like when I make 10k in dollars, or let's say I make 5k in dollars, it's gonna be like 43. What's the P&L of your best and worst trading month yet? Well, I actually I've been trading for 1 year, and I was getting my first payout in my 8th, like my 8th month, so month 8. That was my worst P&L. Or what do you mean? Like my worst P&L since I started? Like also when I was studying a lot and didn't know anything, or just since I'm profitable? Because I'm profitable now for 4 months, 5 months. Thank you for following the stream, by the way. I really appreciate it. It's more fun with people, like instead of doing it on your own, right? Like your maximum profit and maximum loss on this account, or monthly. I did, yeah. Okay, so I think on my like private accounts with my own money, I think I lost like for now I'm on this account, it's last month and this month, so my worst day is 1k, and my best day was almost 7k on this account though. I started in December, so it's a little bit slow month, right? And then on my other account, or on my private trading, it's not so nice to look at, bro. Like I'm telling you, it's not the best. It's ugly. It's very ugly. It's like minus 600, minus 6 something else. I'm not trading privately too crazy though. Like for this month, it's good, like 160%. But from the last year, bro, it's you kind of don't want to see it. Let's say monthly yield last year. Look at this. It's ugly, bro. It's when I was studying, like minus 700. I started in January, so you just cannot see my start, but like in January I think I lost 800 as well. So minus 800, almost 800, 400, 200, 300. Like compared to a lot of traders, it's still not too bad, because I know people that lost like 10, 20k, and I only lost like 3 or 4k probably over the year with studying. This was like a break-even month because I just traded a little bit last year. I didn't really trade, like if you can see. So it is ugly in my eyes. Like see just one serious trade and then all like, oh yeah, we'll take a trade here and there. But 4 trades in a month, you know. And then this is my account now, so this is how I'm trading now. So, and on my other accounts, very ugly as well. I started this was the first account, or the second account. So it was 17k in a month. Second month 2k. This was like really a bad month. Oh, even though the losses were very small, I was just focusing on losing small instead of winning big. Because as you can see, I was losing way too much money here. Like 3k on a day, 1800, 1200, 1600, 1900. Like my losses were way too big, so I was like, I need to change this, and then I focused on losing small first. And in December I lost 3k a week, so the losses got smaller. And then I opened another account, and started fresh. So my best month was 17k. My worst month was 2.7k. Yeah. The double sweep. Double sweep. So you held this, and now you cannot gain. So we cannot gain. 3 minutes. We've hit some 1 minute. So you didn't hit the range yet. So now my I don't know if you're still watching, but my worst month, as you can see, is my worst month was minus 2k, almost minus 3k. Best month 17k, and that's like the second month I was profitable. So I was profitable 17k, 2k, losing month almost 3k, and then 2k, and then now I started fresh with another account, made 7 or almost 8k in the first month, and now for this month I'm up almost 6k. So this is gonna be my best month, I think. All stuff you gotta learn, right? So still need to study a lot. What was the P&L of your best and worst trading month yet? Like I'm quite a small, I'm just a very small trader yet, but I know I'm gonna be like a very big one. Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands, man. So small country. I think you know it, but like who doesn't, right? Where are you from, by the way? I'm curious. Like getting to know the audience a little bit, right? Yes, sir. And we're gonna take my biggest trade yet, right here. And then we have the biggest month, January. January is my biggest month for payouts for now. So it's quite nice. I can show you. Let's see. I'm gonna take it the payout scene. So the dashboard. These are my payouts for now. So I just requested beginning of the month. I requested one on the 2nd of January, 3k, and then on the 5th of January, 4.1k. So I'm having quite a nice month. So yeah. Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands. Yeah. Is this gonna be it? Like, look at this. This was also, this is basically a little bit the same as I was saying. People pushing short before reaching like the highest point of the market yet. You sweep over and then move short. A lot of the time, so everything is adding up nicely. Going short too early, we don't want that. Like all these people pushing short, we're just gonna wait a little bit longer. Outplay everyone. So yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. So, no, thanks for like joining the stream. By the way, really appreciate everyone that's joining the stream and just coming by to chat for a little bit. Really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I wanna like put a live counter, a live sub counter or something like that. Like, not that my subs are going crazy, but it's always fun to add like features to the stream. I'm gonna do that really soon, or some sort of stream layout. But I kind of also want to keep it clean, because it is trading. We just need to keep it a little bit chill, right? So not too crazy. Let's wait for these entries, man. Yeah, we can scalp like 1 minute, but I don't want to scalp 1 minute yet. Let's see if we can get this entry. So I don't know if you're still watching Hitman, but if you thank you for watching. And where are you from, by the way? I'm just very curious as well. Yeah, man. Maybe I'm gonna put my chat like in other screen so I can so I can talk more that way, or to the left. I'm trading up there, and then my other trading account is right there, my Discord is right there, and now my chat and everything is on the right. So maybe I should put it on the left so I can like talk more in this direction. But like half an hour left. In half an hour it should be easy, right? To hit this still. And then the next is also very possible. So we're just gonna be chilling and waiting. We had a break-even trade and we missed out on all these profits. Like, see, it's the 4 hours. Literally where I wanted to take the trade to. I had a long set, I got stopped out break even, and my TP was at this level right here. Like, how accurate do we want to be? Like, even the TPs are. It's unfortunate, my man. That's crazy. So I got in down here on this level, right here. And then I got, so I got entry right here, sniper entry, got stopped out break even because I was break even in a little bit of profits, as you can see. And then we moved long towards this level. This was gonna be my TP a little bit lower because of the front run. So up at 80. Yeah, so we literally had perfect side to side trading, but we just missed out on this. And it was gonna be, how much it would have we made? Yeah, so it would have been like 2.2k. I just missed out on. Very, very unfortunate, but it just is what it is. If we hit this, we have an even bigger trade, right? So if like a 10k trade, maybe, would be crazy. Like, what's the minimum? The minimum is gonna be, like, let's take it a little bit higher. Let's say 4k is literally the minimum. So you can take 4k or you can take it to down here. 4k, if you take it to this, I think this will be like your first support. We will make 10k. It's crazy. It's possible in a few hours, right? So this is gonna be like your first heavier support, and then you're gonna move down to some range in here. So all just very possible. Okay. If we hit this, I'm gonna take off this trade for like these longs, because I just wanna ride this short. See where he can take this. If he can move short. Okay, it's gonna be entry, I think. I'm just gonna be ready. Because you move over this range. See, so the people are shorting, you move over once more, hitting this, and then you have the real short. It's possible we are still gonna range in here, but I think we actually got through already. So that's gonna be this level right here. Please don't get front runs. I'm gonna be crying if you do, because it's like the best position you can have in this whole trading. This is just gonna have a bounce. It doesn't have to be crazy, it's just gonna have a bounce. And we're gonna be break even, and then it's gonna run, hopefully. Okay, I'm only gonna put break even once the hourly closes, so we have half an hour left. But we're just gonna have a very nice position if we get in. Okay, so let me go to the bathroom real quick. I will be right back. Gonna get some coffee downstairs as well. I'll be right back. are back. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Almost getting filled. Let's see. Bro, if you get front run, I'm actually I'm gonna be so sad if you get front run. That's oh, I don't think so, because it's a 1 minute level as well. Like it's a 1 hour and 1 minute in one level in combination. We can get over, like we can take a look a little bit deeper, but in this range. No, it's gonna be. It is gonna be this. This is like the greediest you can go to, basically. So if this actually dumps the move, then I'm gonna be a little bit sad. But I'm still confident we can. We're not front run yet, because like we have still 25 more minutes. Can also hit it multiple times, right? In like 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, until the 1 hour close, and then we want to be break even. But what my expectation is, as I was telling you guys, we're gonna move below this range, and then we're gonna move over. We actually move down again to move up. Okay, nice. This is gonna be a pull if you do, and if you move over, you have some big polarity point. I'm gonna close the whole range, and I'm just gonna
order filled.
Hey, what happened? Did I put my stop loss too close on the other account? I think so. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so my other account is stopped out. It's unfortunate. Oh, so we got front run and then it pushed through again. So now we can actually go long on this level, but it's gonna be a big breakout. It's unfortunate, man. I don't want to get stopped out on this, because I'll always have my daily loss limit then, if we do. But we can also like reverse this level, so that's... This is quite a difficult decision to make. Am I gonna like take it long on this polarity? Or am I gonna take it short, because this is... Let's say, what did we hit though? We've hit this already, so that cannot be that. No, we moved over. We have something even greedier in here. It's like one of my worst entries ever. We took this wick, right? Didn't we? We took this wick, I think. It's 5 minutes. No, we didn't even reach it. It's crazy. I know this is like the top of the range, so I don't want to close it either, but I also don't want to get stopped out at $800, because it's like a little bit crazy. A little bit wide stop loss for my comfort. So let's like see, you can take a long right here, because this is like polarity. So I'm kind of, no, I don't, hold on, this is 2, this is 2. Yeah, so or we're gonna move through and we're gonna lose this trade. Kind of want to put a long, but I cannot cross pair, so I don't wanna. It cannot cross pair. Find it very difficult to know what to do now. Like, should I just close at break even or around break even? So if a one, Or should I just close one lot because I'm not so sure? Like we did hard close this level now. Also can be your first ladder if I missed some level. If I missed some level, it's actually a very good position still, but not worth taking the risk. But what did I miss? Like I want to know what I missed. It's right at my stop. So I missed something in here. At the highest point of this move. So I missed something in here, and it looks like a reversed something, but what, you know? Wow, we had an untested range, a 1 minute untested range down here, or up here, basically. So we had an untested 1 minute range. Is that true? It helped move down to once, and now you have the second hit. Let up Amati. Yeah, I see. Like, but I missed this completely. Broke the low of this range. So I kind of want to take one lot a little bit lower so I know I'm break even if I get stopped out above 0.03. So let's say this is 150 on one lot. And we're gonna put a 150 stop loss. A little bit lower. Over here, it's 250. So let's say we're gonna hit limit sell 1, and then this one is gonna be break even. Limit buy. Oh, that's not possible. Stop buy, right? Stop market buy. Yeah, okay, I think this is what I'm looking at. So that's a 1, so I still can keep my stop loss above and have a very nice position if we get up here. We want to gain a 15, a 5, and then just dump the move. It's at the previous high. So or we move up or we move short, then we're gonna be break even either way. 1.1. Ik ben happy en klaar voor de bro. Nice. I missed the second hold of the 1 minute. So we broke below this range. We hit this 1 minute down here. So this is the mirror. We kind of broke this kind of polarity. We broke the last ladder point. So I know we're gonna go short though. I kind of thinking about closing this because we got a really nice position. So 3 minutes is next, and that's this. So I kind of don't want to do this. We can also hit the, like if we get past this, that would be nice. I think we're gonna get stopped out on 1, but then I'm gonna be able to put my other stop loss over here without, like at 400 without losing any money. Ik schrok gewoon high. Yeah bro, it moved down. But I told you, if we get to the top here, we didn't take out the high yet. We have like a crazy move down. So that's what we had. But I just took the wrong level. I'm still in though. On 2 lots. So that's very nice. Let's see if we can keep this moving. Because if we get this, like see, if this closes distribution, be like a little bit lower, the best thing is below the break. If that happens, we got like an amazing, still we got an amazing entry, an amazing day. Ladies and gentlemen, you were watching a market make it. Just putting my order in. There it goes. There it goes. Gewoon even van terug. Succes met de stream. Thanks bro. See you. Fun. It was fun. Nice to hear you made your profits. It's All good. Nice, man. I see you later. Speak to you later. Much love. Yo. Yo, see you, bro. Later. Oh, but we have hit the break. So, oh, we have hit the 1 hour break, of course. So we're testing back the 1 hour right now. So I think what I want to do is take the 15 hour near, but if he closed, no, because we wanted to go for the 4 hour break. We've hit the 4 hour break now, so we're can test back a 4 hour level. So we can test something inside of here. So if you just take it to, let's say the 50-minute backside, we're gonna make some very nice money. $19,000, bro. It's gonna, it's 20k. Let's do let's do 4,500, something like that. I think 3k is also 4k even better. Even like 4k is even better than 3k. Let's just take it like this. Safe exit, I think. If we close below this though. 15 seconds left. Yeah, so 10 seconds can be enough to pull it up, and then I don't know, then it's possible we're just holding this. And that means I want to be break even, but... So 50 minutes, what did we do? We closed under, okay, nice bro, nice. 3 minutes. Just gonna close this. We want to hit the 3 minute next. This is the 1 minute though, so I'm gonna... I kind of want to put a... This is your next 3 minutes, right? So... Got a friend who missed this trade. That's very unfortunate, bro. No, that's unfortunate, man. Shit happens. On one lot, so that's 0.2, that's $100. It's gonna be at 190, 200, something like this. So this is break even if it hits this one and then this one. But it gives me a little bit more chance from staying in the trade. Close, yeah. Trade off. Even je hoofd van de trade-off, man. Even weglopen, niet naar kijken, even resetten, lekker je werk gaan doen en dan vanavond nog even traden of zo. Anders ga je nu dus echt fouten maken, bijvoorbeeld. Dat moet je ook niet hebben. Dus ja, dus ik zou dat gewoon doen. Even lekker van de charts af, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out as well, right? Yep. For real? We really gonna do this? Ah, shit happens, man. I hope we don't, but... If you move over, you can take a long on it, but
order filled.
yep. Painful, man. I was like, yeah, maybe close 1800, something like that, but I want to take a long on my polarized point. Ah, see, now it's gonna go over, probably. Go for the daily break. Maybe hit even something greedier. That's unfortunate, man. If you don't get filled, it's unfortunate. The daily breaks up here. We just wanna create a break of the move somewhere. Oh, but we already got it, so you got your origin right here, right? So this is your future breakout point. It's already created. This is a strong backside, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. We broke it, we tested back. Yeah, oh, of course we tested it back, right? We tested trend, moved over, hit the break, we tested back something, and then we move up. That's just how it works. So we missed it. It's cool. Could have had a nice short out of it, but I didn't realize we just could have only take it to this level right here. I'm still positive we can test back this level and then move up. So let's see what we are doing. Let's see and wait. Let's see and wait. Could have just made like 2k, 1.8k. Again, so we missed like 3.6k already today. I wasn't too lot, so could have even made 3k, bro. Crazy. So 3k on this trade alone. Like on this, if we only took it to this right here, would have been 4k. Well, it would have been 2k. So 2k on this and 2k on the other trade that I missed. So literally missed out on 4k already today. But we're doing great though. We missed out on 4k, but still we but still we are like in $6, so we're basically break even for the day. Still very good. Let's see what the letter of the move is doing. So it is what it is. I got 1 minute, so 3 minutes next, right? This 3 minute, this 3 minute. So I'm gonna try to get my polarized point right here and then keep continuing to move along. It's also possible we moved down to this range because we created a first valley after a break, but let's just wait and see. Break even, we missed out on 4k for the day, but still we are break even, so we didn't really, like, not doing too bad. So this point should move as long. Four minutes left on the 1 hour, so it's nice. 4 minutes left on the 1 hour means we can like test this and move up, or just like keep hanging here for 4 minutes, or 3 minutes now, I believe. No, so for 4 minutes we can like try to range over here and then take this out next. Let's see, this is backside, back front combination, some sort of front side or polarized moment in here, and then we're going for this valley down here, so it's really a continuation of the move up for now to the origin, I think. So if we get entry, and it is a good entry because I don't trade a lot like this, it is gonna be 3k, so that's not too bad on just one lot. Yeah, you see it's polarized, right? You move into it, you move under it, you move over it. Now you can test it back and continue the move up. So the only thing was you hard closed on the 1 minute first to hit some other 1 minute left. Oh, but this is your polarization, I think. So we should enter long over here. Right. I think I just I want to take a trade over here because it's just a little bit safer, and it was the last ladder point it could possibly go to, and then you could have a level that can hold again, and that was this level right here that we moved short of. We didn't take profits because I was thinking it could go lower to this point right here. So, but this was very strong. It was a very strong range, so it's just stupid. Just should have taken it to this candle right here because less candle of the range. I think this is the ladder. I think I don't have a big chance it's gonna move to this still, but I don't want to take too much risk, right? Take the risk low, take your entries and then move up. Be break even, or take a little bit of money out of it. This is kind of a level that I'm just not taking too much. Yeah, not too bad, just break even for the day. We just missed out on 4k already. Like got stopped out break even once, and then we didn't take profits and got stopped out break even again. So we had 2 break even trades. Yeah. Like if I get better, I will stop putting my trade break even maybe, but most of the times I take polarity, so it's just way better to hit it break even. So if you gain actually a 1 minute, I can take a long from 1 minute level up here because you keep on laddering. So 1 to 1 to 1, yeah, like this. I think I should actually try. I don't want to. I think this can still be your polarity to move you up. I just don't want you to, I don't want to like overcommit. Put a trade on here and then it moves still to this point and we get stopped out with what you see here. A lot of people getting in long, you sweep them out and then you move long. Or you just move straight through because it is a polarized point. So if the polarization doesn't hold, you move short still. Like you get below it, hit it back, so it can be break even technically, and then you can move short. So the wick of this level is possibly some sort of backside. So we held this. It's gonna move up now, or you're gonna move down to this level. It's one of two, because you laddered your first. You had your first ladder, but it's a -1, so it's possibly not. It's possible it doesn't hold. See, so it holds. It looks like it, at least. So we missed the move again. Got 2 break-even trades. One. We missed on one. We missed out on 2k. On the other one, we missed out on 2k as well. So just very unfortunate. We missed out on 4k today. But we protected our capital, and that's also a win on itself, right? So we've won, even though we've lost. We didn't lose, even though we break even. It's a tie. Just waiting still, because this range can get liquidated, right? And then you continue to move up. Let's take a look at what the market is doing now. I don't know why I made this green, because it's a red, it's a daily. Where is it connected? Like what? Oh yeah, okay, right, okay. So let's see what we could expect. I completely forgot we got a origin level right up here. Otherwise I wouldn't have taken the short, possibly. Still, we could have made a lot of money from it, but I just didn't realize we would continue long for this level up here. So I could only take my profits on this level, not down, because I want to take my profits down here. So now we want to play the continuation. We can hit the 1 minute. We are creating a new range, so let's see if we can scalp a little bit though. We got this. See, this is your polarized point. I know it's 15 seconds, but sometimes you can. It's very useful when you don't have enough info on another time frame. So this is polarized all through, you see. What we can do is move down here, take out all of this, and then we continue to move long, because you see this is polarized as well. You move over, you hit it, you move up. You move through, you hit it from the other side, you move down. Come up here, you don't go straight through, you pull short, you move over. Same with the 1 minute. You move straight through because it's polarization. So if you move through, you're gonna stay above it. So stay above it, we hit it and we move up. Then we get through it twice, but on the higher time frame you can see it's polarized. So you move in and you move below it, and this is called a reverse level. So it means the level can hold again. But because it was an hourly level, hold on, bro. I have a call. I didn't know I could change the I didn't know I could change the color of my microphone, but I can apparently. I don't know how though. I just did it out of accident, but now I'm just turning it off the whole time. So okay, let's keep on looking for this ladder. I'm just a little bit sad we missed. We missed out on so much money today. Like not too big of trades, but like 4K in a day is still very good, right? So okay, so we gained 1. So you want to stay above this ladder point. So I'm actually looking to get this point right here. You can see it's polarized. So this is gonna be the next ladder point on the 1 minute, I think. But I don't want to trade on the 1 minute too much. Okay, let's look at this analysis. My expectation now is that we at least go to this point right here. So we took out the wick down here. So now we're going to go to the front side. The front side is here, but then we're going to go to the reverse. So this is my target generally. Let's see what the 4 hours saying. 4 hours saying the same. We've hit the break first. Hit the 4 hour first. Hit the break. Moved short. Tested back on a 1 hour backside. So a 4 hour or a 15-minute level is going to bring us down, most likely. Some sort of 50-minute range. And we got a untested 50-minute range. I know this is tested on the backside a few days ago, like days ago in December. See, so this got tested. So you're gonna look at a 5-minute maybe in here. Okay, so this is your 15. Oh, that held already, so this is gone. So maybe we got some 5-minute in here. Or 3 minutes. Actually got a tested 5, so maybe we got a 1 minute even. So I'm gonna take off this for a moment. So it's tested 3-minute range, but we got an open 3-minute level itself. Maybe I think we got a like see that's hit. Okay, so we actually got an untested open 1 minute level. Are you kidding me? I didn't see this at all. This is gonna be hit. Look at this. Whoop. This is hit. Whoa. So if you can gain it 3 minutes, we can actually take a short to the front side of the... So we can take a short of this if we gain it. Nice, and the stop loss is going to be very tight, right? Because we have the greediest level, so $150 stop loss like nothing. So we can take 2 lots and take a shorter trade. If we gain this though, because it's struggling as you can see. It's kind of, it is the next ladder point, so it's very, very greedy. So I'm just gonna take it like 2 ticks lower to prevent front running. So let's put it in on 2 lots. 2 lots. Just wait for it, and then we're taking it short towards our other level. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, short, short. Let's get entered, get filled. Let's take a $300.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
If you get above this, it's just okay. We're just taking our loss for the day. Oh, what? My other account got stopped out. How is it possible? Didn't put in the 400, bro. Got to got stopped out for nothing. No market, bro.
Order filled.
Like this. Okay, so we want to take it to the 15-minute level down here. Okay, so it's just gonna be 2K. Just gonna be 2K, but we hit the backside already on the 1 hour. So if we hit the backside, so you can go for front side, that's gonna be this level down here. I think this isn't too bad. This isn't too bad at all. We just wanna go for, let's say, okay, that's perfect. Actually missed the greediest level, but we gained it 3 minutes, so that's perfect. Now I want to gain a 5, and that's all the way down here. So we want to gain this level right here. Gotta keep in mind this polarity. And then the 15 minute that we got right here, because it is a ladder point officially and it can hold. Depends on how it reacts down here. The wick basically held the move already. Got tested, it's your polarity point. So we really gotta be break even at this point right here. Let's mark it with a circle. Let's add this one. I want to be break even at this point right here. Somewhere around this level. So you can see the polarity over here as well. Now we need to keep on laddering the 1 minute as well. So 1 minute. We can hold this again. If you move over, we kind of done. It's very risky trade. It's against the move. But you're just trying to catch a retest. I'm just gonna put it above this a little bit. If you get over, it's done. We can take this as a long though. And we have a very nice long as well. We break the whole range, so 2250. So let's, okay, yeah, I just want to say, we're breaking the range. If you're closing above this, we're gonna take a long at this point. Otherwise, we just got stopped out for no reason. Okay, so we got, let's go. Let's go. 1 minute long. A little bit higher. We gotta take this at 22.25, 75, like this.
Order filled.
Okay, yeah, stop below the range down here. Continuation of the move. So we broke through the 15. Means we're breaking this range because it was the greediest level we have. That means we are breaking this right here, the ladder points. 15 is strong enough so we can get stuck on some level over here. So we don't have any hourly left. So this is basically our last like real obstacle. If you move over and continue, gonna go to this point right here. At least that's my expectation. We can get some reaction of the daily over here as well. We need to keep this in mind as well. So 1 minute broke this. My trading is so bad today, man. Or like it's not, nah, it's not too bad. My entries were on point, except this one. I knew it was a riskier trade, so yeah, of course. Chose to take it myself, so we moved over. We're hitting it from the other side, so it's a polarized moment. You basically don't have anything to hold it down anymore, so let's see. Oh, we have tested this range. over here. Tested this backside, right? Yeah, sure. So maybe there's some greedier range inside of this, but no, this range tested as well. So you can hold this, yes. Then there's also, there is basically a 5-minute range open still. But I don't know, I don't think it's gonna hold a move like this because this move is so aggressive to the upside. A 5-minute level isn't strong enough to hold this. So we want to move long. We still got an hourly level here, but I think that's part of this reverse. And I think we can this at least. Maybe I should just take to the daily, because it's probably gonna move from the daily down to retest some other level and then move up. So we're gonna test back some stuff in here. It would be something to hit my daily or my 1 minute level down here that we didn't test yet. Basically tested this range already. But it was greedier, right? Well, imagine we are. Test this as well, so you over here. And we probably test the backside instead of front side. Yes, we did. Oh, that was why we didn't reach the front side. That was why my entry wasn't good. Like my entry should have been backside. We were laddering backsides as well, right? So makes sense now. It's just a little late for it to make sense. Let's follow this ladder though. The 1 hour is going to be polarized. We're continuing to move this to your last support. This can hold again, but it's not strong enough probably, so you move up to the daily. Daily is the only thing you've left to hold that's lower, except the 1 hour right here. But is it worth it? And the range got tested already. So the range got tested, basically you took out your front side. I think this is so acceptable. 3670. Getting below this range and move up, right? Is er nog 70? This entry is so ugly. Now we have to gain though. We cannot break this level. You broke this range already. So we're down here. Ah, you're kidding me? You're down here for your entry. Probably. So we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out, I think. This needs to hold. It's gonna try to gain once more, and then we're gonna get stopped out. And my entry was just so bad. So I'm gonna put it below this wick to kind of close in a little bit of. You can see it already. It broke this range, so you're down here. Yeah. So just gonna close it myself to prevent more losses or more loss. So you're gonna have this and you're gonna have this, and this is gonna be like very greedy, or not greedy at all. At 11.
Order filled.
Okay, see. So, and now you're below this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, that's on this account, so let's see. So you're gonna test back your next polarity point. Gotta put this below the wick right here. This is gonna be my last trade. If this gets stopped out, it's just over for today. We just missed out on 4K and at another very bad entry over here. So we're in minus 600 for the day. Crazy. Just trying to catch continuation, and if you do, we're happy, and otherwise it's just over for today. Load this wick, hit this, we can hit this again, and then we move up. And maybe I am just taking it to the 1 hour, because you just never know. You got a 50 and 50 is up here, so we wanna look at the daily for this. I really think about like what did I miss if I missed like what? How is it still holding you? Because you're literally breaking it. Yeah, you can test back some sort of range and then still move up, of course, but I'm just so confused at this point. This right here. Because you were literally holding your ladder, but you already broke the ladder. So you are gonna move up, but the question is when. Like you broke this, you tested it back internally. So but why are we trying to move down now to test back something else? We wanna test back this range? Like that's strange. Yes, we had some sort of backside. So we're trying to bounce it now, and if we cannot gain, then we are gonna move to the front side. But if you have
order filled,
yeah, we can also, it's done for today, right? Yeah, okay. Unfortunate. Okay, so from like 3 break-even trades to 2 bad entries, and then finishing it off for the day. It's also probably a little bit mental fatigue because I'm trading for so long already. But I kind of don't understand. We broke this. So you want to test back polarity and then move up. So that was what I tried to catch here in this range. So when we're not breaking this, we are gonna move up. I took, oh, it didn't take out my stop loss. It took out my daily limit, zeg maar. Like, see, so you cannot, I cannot trade. And then it's gonna move over this, gonna move to some sort of front side over here. Okay, so this, very unfortunate. It is what it is. We are holding a ladder, so it will be some sort of level from back here, I think. Like what? Is it some level we need to gain, or? Oh, something protected the daily break, for real, but you're going to this break right here, right? I need to test back the 4 hour probably before we move through. That's it. So I've been trading too much today, and 2 lots instead of 1. So it's over for today. So unfortunate, man. We just could have taken like, we just could have, yeah, okay, could have. It's always could have, right? But it's just unfortunate that that today was so. Okay. Okay, so we got a loss for the day, still in profits for the week. So that's it. $1,400 for the week. Yeah, okay. So let's make it all up tomorrow. It was just we could have made, like, we could have made so much money today. Like, I entered the trade down here somewhere. Yeah, I entered 5 minutes, so I entered even lower. Oh, I'm still on the 15-minute, right? Took this level right here. Took this level long, put it a little bit in profits, my stop loss, got stopped out, and then the move went straight to my TP. My TP was at the 4 hour level, literally over here. So it would have been straight TP, would have been beautiful. Oh, then is this your polarized point, maybe? So there was 2k, and then I got an entry on this short, and I could have taken it on this level right here on 2 lots. So that would be from this point like a little bit lower. I didn't get the sniper entry, so I was in it right over here. Took it short, should have taken it to the daily level or to the hourly level. On 2 lots was 2k as well. I'm from the Netherlands, man. So welcome to the stream, by the way. I have a losing day. Happens. It's part of the game, right? I was trading on 2 lots as well, so double my loss size with the same daily loss limit like normal. So I'm done for the day trading. See, so this is gonna be a rejection first. So you could have taken a long from this point, B break even right now, and let it play out. Look for some other levels down here. Yeah. So if I didn't focus too much on this polarization, should have just taken this level right here. Can be so easy, man. Trading can be so easy, and but I just was too impatient. To this right here, so that would have been 7k, 6.5. Okay, so I missed out on my first trade. Second trade also 2k. I actually was in profits because I got the entry, but I didn't take my profits. And then this trade with a potential of almost like 6.5k, so I'm missing out on 10k today. That's unfortunate. This is not guaranteed to hold, by the way, so, but you could have had another. We should have been at 4k today and then done for the day. It's all good. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna just end the stream. We ended the day for daily loss. It is what it is. Still quite nice results. We are up for the week, still with one winning day. Monday was just a very boring day. Almost break even. 1400 up for the week. Still all good. So let's trade tomorrow again. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching if you were watching. Have a beautiful rest of your day and hopefully till tomorrow. I'm not gonna be trading crypto tonight, so I won't be trading crypto tonight, and I'll go eat something, and then I have a appointment with my cousin. So gonna see you guys later. Goodbye, man. Peace.